Hello class 6, welcome to Adult Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 4.4 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. Before starting the exercise, here are some points to remember. Question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a point Q in its exterior. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? So first of all, we have to draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. So here, a rough sketch of triangle ABC. So this is our figure. Now the second thing is we have to mark a point P in its interior. So interior is inside of given figure. So I am marking P here. Now third thing is we have to mark a point Q in its exterior. So these areas are exterior. So exterior is outside of the figure. So I can mark here, here or here. So I am marking point Q in its exterior. So this is our answer. Now last one is we have to tell, is the point A, this is point A, is the point A in its exterior or interior? So clearly we can see that A is neither in interior of the figure nor in exterior of the figure. So A is, what is A? A is a vertex, and we know vertex here, this is our corner. So A is a point which is a vertex. So answer is A is neither in interior of the figure nor in its exterior. So what is A? A is a vertex. Answer. Question number 2. A part. Identify 3 triangles in the figure. B part. Write the names of 7 angles. C part. Write the names of 6 line segments. D part. Which 2 triangles have angle B as common? In this question, this figure is already given. So first part is identify 3 triangles in the figure. So A part. First we observe the figure. This is first triangle. This is second triangle. And if we delete or remove this line, we get one more bigger triangle. It means total we have 3 triangles. So total we have 3 triangles. So first one is triangle ACD or ADC. So triangle ADC. Second triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. And last one is this big triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Answer. B part. Write the names of 7 angles. There are 3 triangles and now we have to find out angles. This is first angle, second angle, third angle, fourth angle, fifth angle, sixth angle and seventh angle. So So total we have 7 angle here. So angle B, angle ADB, angle BAD, angle ADC, angle ACD, angle BAC. So angle B, angle ADB, ADB, this one, BAD, BAD, this one, ADC, ADC, this one already written, ACD, ACD, yes, BAC, BAC. So this is also covered. Now last one is CAD, CAD, this one. C part. Write the names of 6 line segment. So these are line segment AB, BD, DC, BC, AC, AD. So these all are line segment. So here first one AB, AD, AC, this one BD, DC, and last one is BC. D part. Which two triangles have angle B as vertex? So this is our angle B and this is vertex. So we have to select two triangles which have vertex B as common. So ABD. This is our first triangle. Now, in this question first part, we have written here 3 triangles. So, we can see here that angle B is common in these 2 triangles. And in triangle ADC, there is no vertex as B. So, ACD, we will not include it. We will include only ABD and triangle ABC. So, triangle ABC. So, B here common. So, answer is triangle ABD, triangle ABC. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.